Hello children. Now we've already learned so many letters in English. You've finished learning all your A to Z letters. So now let's learn how to write them in proper sequence from A, beginning from A to Z. So in every line we are going to write 4 letters only, and we'll leave 2 finger space between all the letters. So in every line there are 4 letters, and in last 2 lines we will write just three letters. So let's start writing and you will come to know how we start. For in the first line we write the heading A dash Z. That is, we are starting with A and we are ending with Z. So let's start. A apple, a curve and a kick out, and beeper, bat, just like you have already learned, and seeker, cat. And the fourth letter in this line will be Dida, doll, and take it down and make a kick like that. And the second A, B, C, D, and in the second line we will write E, egg. We start near the margin. You can see that we are starting near the margin, one below the other. And the second, again 2 finger space, and we will write the next letter. F. What comes after E? F. F for flag. F for fish. G. Girl. G, grapes. H, her hat. Next will come in the HI would come in the third line. Start from the third line. E. I says E. I-E, igloo. I-E, invitation card. J. Jug. K. Next is K. Kites. L. Lamp. L. Lock. Next would be M. Mat. So M, we don't start from the third line, we start from this just below the second line. So M, mat. N, nest. O, orange. Peeper, parrot. Peeper, pen. Q. Next would come in the next line. Q, queen. Q, quill. R, says R, rat. S, soap. S, snake. Next is teeter. Table. Teeter, tennis. Next is that would go in the next line. You know how to write U? then weaver, weaver, U umbrella, weaver, van. Start from the third line. Curve, take it up and a kick. W, two U's together and a kick. Now in this line we just write three, U, V, W. V says V, van, W, whale, W, watch. Next is X, X, as in box. X, wire, and Z, or Z, Z's a zip. So children, that's how you're going to write with proper gaps between all the letters starting from A to Z. It should be written very beautifully and very neatly. Thank you. Keep practicing.